In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Buy Now button in WooCommerce. So for this, you're actually going to need a separate plugin. We're going to go ahead and click on plugins. And for this, you're going to need a premium plan. So you have to have a plan to be able to add plugins. I'm just going to go to browse plugins so I can show you which plugin I'm talking about. You want to go to search plugins and you want to type in Buy Now. And then you want to search. And it's going to find you a bunch of different ones over here, and one of them is going to be called merchant, so it's this one over here. And of course you can use any different ones if you want to, but this is just the one I found. You can go ahead and click on over here, and you can see pre-orders, product labels, buy now, quick view, discount rules, etc. for WooCommerce merchant. So you want to basically install this to your WordPress site whenever you have your plan, and then you'll be able to see your merchant over here as a separate plugin. You can just click on that, and inside that you'll be able to just enable the buy now button literally with a click of a button. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.